damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Baxter Springs, Columbus,
You can hear the
Galena,
static in the air on the
Cherokee,
radio.
Weir, Lowell, Sherman, Scanlon, West Mineral, Treese, Roseland, Neutral, Melrose, Riverton, Lawton, Corona, Skidmore, Hallowell, Sherwin, Faulkner. Here's a look at weather conditions at 6
Look
p.m.
at that. It's just like static, man.
The temperature was 65,
Yeah.
dew point 61, and the relative humidity was 87%.
Bouncing around between the bows.
Winds were northeast at 14 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.70 and falling. Iowa was cloudy. The temperature was 62, dew point 50. The tornado warning for northeastern
Wow,
Cherokee
just
County
red
is
lightning.
canceled.
Really?
Red
The
lightning.
tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the
Yeah, it's
warning
just
has
red.
been canceled.
Well, do you see the
A
screen?
tornado watch remains in
What was
effect
it? The
until
screen?
11 p.m.
Yeah.
for southeastern
A lot of static.
Kansas and southwestern Missouri.
That's
A severe
It's like
thunderstorm
basically what it
watch
is. It's like
remains in
static.
effect until 11 p.m. for southwestern Missouri. Here's a look at weather conditions at 6 p.m. Chanute had light rain. The temperature was 65.
Wow,
Dew point
nice
61,
one.
and the relative the severe thunderstorm warning for Cherokee County will expire at 6:15 p.m. The storms which prompted the warning have moved out of the area. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southeastern Kansas. Here's a look
Just
at weather
static, man.
conditions at 6 p.m.
You see that?
Chanute
Red
had light
static.
rain. The temperature was 65, dew point 61, and the relative humidity was 87%. Winds were northeast at 14 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.70
Another funnel
and
cloud right
falling.
there.
Iowa was cloudy. The temperature was 62, dew point 59, and the relative humidity was 91%.
Don't really see any rotation though, so
Winds
that's
were
good.
northeast
I
at
don't know,
7 miles
maybe.
an hour. The pressure was
Wait, now we got some
29.76
lightning bolts
and steady.
coming right out of that
Thunderstorm,
that,
the temperature was 60,
funnel cloud right there.
58, and the relative humidity was
There might be
92%.
some rotation in that.
Winds were northeast at 7, gusting to 23 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.68 and falling. Parsons had light rain. The temperature was
We got a little
69,
rotation right there.
58, and the relative humidity
Oh.
was 96%.
Oh, that's your fucking lighter.
Winds
Get
were
that
very
out of
low
there.
at 3 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.76 and rising.
You are ruining my
Tornado
video.
watch number 150 has been canceled for the following county: Labette, Kansas.
Cut that part out.
Tornado watch number 150 remains in effect until 11 p.m. for the following counties: Bourbon, Cherokee, and Crawford. Remember,
There you go.
a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, both in and
Man,
close
this is
to the
just
watch
too good.
area. While severe
Here.
weather may not
Oh, big old
radio
bolt
and
right in front of the
television
fucking
outlets
camera.
or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm
I
warning
predict
for
there'll be
southeastern
another.
Crawford County in southeastern Kansas, southern Barton County in southwestern Missouri, northern Newton County in
He's got what
southwestern
he needs.
Missouri,
Just take it out
Jasper
there.
County in southwestern Missouri,
Don't
until
step in front of
6:30
it.
p.m. At 5:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms extended from near Girard to 6 miles southeast.
I'm just
of
gonna
Weir
keep
to near
going
Treese,
until I run out of
moving
fucking
east at
space,
45
man.
miles per hour. You can expect 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications.
Ah, red
The
lightning
effects are
again.
expected.
Ah,
Hail damage to vehicles is
the
expected.
hell.
Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Joplin, Pittsburgh, Carthage, Webb City, Carl Junction, Limerick, Frontenac, Galena, Orlando, Granby, Carterville, Duquesne, Sartixie, Duneworth,
Sartixie.
Jasper, Diamond, Golden
Yeah,
City,
interesting.
Loma Linda, Airport Drive,
Very
Linwood.
interesting.
This includes the
Never seen
following
anything like
highways:
it.
Interstate 44 between mile marker 0 and 32. Interstate 49 between mile markers 28 and 65. The tornado warning for northeastern Cherokee County is canceled. The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southeast